Hello and welcome to Nikolay's genetics lessons, and today we are going to talk about laboratory calculations. Let's say you need 6 milliliters of 2 mol hydrogen chloride, but you only have 3 mol hydrogen chloride. What should you do? In order to solve this type of problems, you need to know a single formula, where M1V1 equals to M2V2. And M here stands for the molarity or concentration, and V stands for the volume. The same is here, but on the left part we have a stock solution, on the right part we have diluted solution. Stock solution is concentrated solution that will be diluted to lower concentration for actual use. According to our problem, we start with 3 mol hydrogen chloride solution, which is stock solution, so 3 moles, and we don't know the volume, so we put just V1, and this should equal to, and our diluted solution have to be 6 milliliters of the 2 mol hydrogen chloride concentration. So let's put it here, 2 moles and 6 milliliters. So don't forget that we have here multiplication sign, which is not usually shown here. If we multiply these numbers on the right side, we are going to get 12. And that means that on the left side, we also should get 12, but we only know molarity. We don't know volume. So 12 we should divide by 3. And we are going to get volume of the stock solution, which is 4 milliliters. So let's put it here, 4 milliliters. So 3 times 4 is 12, 2 times 6 is 12. So the left part is equal to the right part. So we have found that we need 4 milliliters of 3 mol solution, which is stock solution. We also have to add 2 milliliters of water, H2O. So we dilute our stock solution and we get 6 milliliters of the diluted solution, and molarity is going to be 2 moles. And 2 milliliters is just a difference between stock solution and diluted solution. And this is all for today. Subscribe and see you in the next video. Goodbye.